If there's anything I can do, just call on me and I'll send it along with love from me to you. They got all the care we want, and their hearts are oh so true. Just call on them and they'll help you along with love from me to you.
Hello! You can see my shoulder there, but I just want to give you a nice surprise. How are you all doing today? You feeling great? I'm feeling fantastic. I just want to say that with this Home Not Alone project, we are feeling so energized and happy writing cards to all the people who need them the most. Who are we writing these cards for? It's for people who are in the houses who unfortunately won't be able to come out because of these circumstances, basically being shielded. So we write these cards to brighten their day, make them smile, and to say to them that they're not alone, we can get through this together, and just be you. And also writing lovely messages encouraging them to be saying, thinking about yous, you're not alone, we can do this together. Now I'm going to tell you more about the collaborations again. But there'll be some different ones. Collaboration. We are in collaboration with Sandfield Park School, Growing Happy, More Than 7, and the Liverpool City Council. Who have done fine work to get us all together to do these cards to make everyone happy. I think it's time for another tutorial from Holly, as I pass you over to Holly herself. Take it away, Holly.
Thanks, Jordan. Hi everyone, I'm Holly from Growing Happy, and today we're going to be making a Leeds owl card. So for this card, you're going to need a white piece of paper, a rubber, pencil, a few coloured pencils to colour in the rainbow, and a black pen if you have one, but don't worry if you don't. So we're going to start by folding our piece of paper in half, and then we can start drawing our owl. So I'm going to take my black pencil, and the first thing that I'm going to draw are the two big eye sockets. And then I'm going to draw the bits around it, just like that. And then there's a little bit on the outside as well. Like that. Then the next thing I'm going to draw down the middle of this is the nose. And then coming off the bottom of the two eyes, I'm going to connect them with two lines and then a straight line underneath. So then we've got our eyes, and semicircle shape, and then a longer shape down on both sides. And then some little lids. And the same underneath. So we're starting to get the top of the head of our owl. So on the top I'm going to connect it with the head of the owl, which is two long lines. And I'm going to go around and give it a bit of depth. Just like that. So next I'm going to draw its body. So its neck into its body, which is going to come all the way down here. And it kind of looks like a bit of a don't know, a vase maybe or something, I don't know. But we're then going to add some of the wings. So on the right hand side, it's got just another line all the way down to just above where we ended the last one, and then a big wing that comes all the way down off to the side. And then on this side the same, like that. And then we're going to continue down, but not all the way to the bottom on that side. And that gives the effect that the owl is turned towards you. So we're then going to give some detail at the top, some feather detail, so some V shapes, and then the same here on that side, and then one more in the middle. And then it's got its breast plates. So we're going to draw a little, kind of like a petal shape, and then the same on the inside, following the same shape. And then on this side, it goes all the way to the outside of the breast of the owl, like that. So the last thing that we've got to draw are the talons on the bottom. Now don't worry too much about these ones, you can do them really wherever on the bottom. And then I'm just going to connect, make sure it's all kind of connected up. And then it's on a ledge, so a plinth. So you're just going to make sure that you can see the plinth at the bottom. Just going to add one more little ball here, another one there, and there you go, you've got your owl. So once you've got your owl, if you can grab something, maybe a glass. Unfortunately I don't have a glass, so I'm just going to use the base of my lamp. And I'm going to get my pencil and I'm just going to draw around my circular object to give me the first semicircle of my rainbow. And you're doing this in your pencil. And then I can use that as a guide to draw the rest of my rainbow. So then I'm going to get my black pen again, and I'm just going to go over my pencil marks. So there we go, I've got my outline of my rainbow. I'm going to add one more actually to the middle. And then I'm going to take my rubber and I'm just going to rub out the pencil underneath. I'm going to get my red. I'm just going to start colouring in my rainbow. So now that you've coloured in your rainbow, you can choose a colour to colour in your owl. So I'm going to colour mine using my black pen, but you could use anything that you wanted. So I'm just going to outline mine so the details are going to be in black. There we go. There's my owl. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed drawing your Leeds owl. I'm looking forward to seeing all of your creations over the next week. Tune in next week for a new tutorial. I'll hand back over to Jordan, and yeah, look forward to seeing you all again soon.
Thanks for that, Holly. It was quite interesting, wasn't it? I've got my pens and I've got my pen, paper and colouring ready to draw it. I want to thank everyone involved in this project because of the amount of lives that we have changed and helped. One card, one text, one word, one chat to any one of them will make their day. And I'm looking forward to seeing what everyone creates. And we could also be making new friends during this period as well. In my own experiences during this pandemic, I've made lots of new friends. Spoken to people I've never spoken before. Spoken to people from other parts of the country. We will be united and we will be stronger when we get out of this pandemic. Let us keep making everyone happy. Let us keep going. We can't stop now. We've come through this so far. Keep going. Believe in you. Stay strong. Stay safe. And we'll get through this together.
I see skies of blue and clouds of white. The bright blessed day, the dark sacred night. And I think to myself,